Hey everybody, welcome back to Nutrition with Jen. Today we're going to be making a smoothie on how to beat inflammation, and it's going to be Blackberry Bliss, which sounds just blissful. So you're going to use 1 cup of blackberries and 1/4 cup of strawberries, preferably organic. You just want to make sure that you always have organic fruit so that you can make sure that you get the most nutrients for your body, which is very important, especially when trying to beat inflammation. Then we have 1/4 cup of apricots. All these are gonna go into your blender. 1 cup of any milk source that you want. Today we're using hemp milk because it's got a lot of really good protein and nutrients in it. Again, very, very good for anti-inflammatory properties. Then you're gonna add a little kick. It's gonna be a 1/2 teaspoon of lime juice. It's just gonna sweeten it up a little bit without adding any extra sugar. Then of course, our protein powder, 1 scoop, any kind you like. Today we're using whey protein powder, it's vanilla. You could always try chocolate, make a chocolate blackberry bliss. And then 1/2 tablespoon of any type of nut butter you'd like. Today we're using almond butter, which gives you all those extra antioxidants, which of course, as we know, beat inflammation. Then make sure your lid is on nice and tight. Don't want to make a mess. So make sure you blend it really well. Take off your lid. Pour it in your cup. Oh, this is a nice thick one. That's what happens when you use frozen fruit. Makes it thicker. Try to share. You don't always have to share, but make sure you drink this full cup today.